Hello, welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you will learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today I'm going to show you a very helpful, easy, healthy recipe. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you can learn how to make lots more easy, healthy recipes. And if you have been watching my cooking videos for a while, you probably noticed that I use a vegetarian instant chicken broth in place of regular liquid chicken broth. So I've gotten a few comments from viewers telling me that they have had trouble finding the chicken seasoning that I use. So today I'm going to show you a super easy and healthy vegan instant chicken broth seasoning recipe that is just as delicious as the store-bought brand that I have been using. So let's get started. The ingredients in this recipe are nutritional yeast flakes, kosher salt, onion powder, basil, garlic powder, celery salt, oregano, and turmeric. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and blend these ingredients in a blender or a food processor. So we'll do that next. Okay, first we're going to go ahead and add 1 1/3 cups of nutritional yeast flakes. Next we have 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, or you could use another kind of salt if you don't have kosher salt. Next we have 3 tablespoons of onion powder. Next we have 1 1/2 tablespoons of basil. Next we have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Next we have 2 teaspoons of celery salt and 1 teaspoon of oregano. And last we have 1 teaspoon turmeric. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. Okay, we're going to go ahead and blend all the ingredients until they turn smooth and it'll be into a powder. So I'm going to go ahead and start on low. Let's see if you can see. Okay, so that will take about a minute or two till it's in a fine powder. And from experience I learned, don't take the lid off until all the dust settles, because it will fly all over the place. You can already see it, kind of did. Okay, I think the dust is settled. So the next thing, we're going to go ahead and you're going to put it in an airtight container. And there you have it. 1 teaspoon of this chicken broth seasoning with 1 cup of water will substitute for 1 cup of chicken broth. Comment below what kind of chicken broth or seasoning you normally use, or if you have never used any before. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes. Try this instant chicken broth seasoning this week and let me know how it turns out. See you in my next lesson.